Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Question number 5. A hemispherical tank is made up of an iron sheet 1 centimeter thick. एक iron की sheet है जिससे एक hemispherical tank बनाया है, उसकी thickness है 1 centimeter. If the inner radius is 1 meter, then find the volume of iron used to make the tank. अगर inner radius given है, volume of iron used निकालना है. So the inner radius given to us is 1 meter. Fine. अब इससे हम जो thickness है उसको use करके हम ये देखेंगे कितना iron used है. So the thickness is given to us as 1 centimeter. उसको meters में convert किया. So we'll get 0.01 meter. Now the outer radius comes out to be the inner radius plus the thickness, that is 1.01 meter. Now the volume of the iron that is used to make it, वो अंदर वाला जो इसका पोर्शन है उसको हटाकर आएगा. So it is equal to 2/3, क्योंकि एक hemispherical tank है तो 2/3 multiply by 22/7. फिर again multiply by the square of the outer diameter, outer radius minus the inner one. So it is equal to 44/21 multiplied by 1.0303 minus 1, which is equal to 0.0638348 meter cube approximately.